Paoni, ¿cómo tú estás? What is good, my people? Today we're going to be reacting to some rare and scary animal encounters. Not sure what to expect, but we will be surprised together. Without further ado, let's get into this video. Dale.
It's estimated that we share the Earth with about 8.7 million animal species, and some of them don't have our best interests in mind, with some being downright spine-chilling and looking to cause trouble. If you're brave enough.
The way that snake just like casually and slowly went to bite that guy's hand is wild.
Let's get going with today's presentation because damn nature.
What?
You scary. You tell me who's more shocked to see who in this next clip. I'm thinking it's a tie.
Oh my god. Holy f was this window open or closed? Oh, it was closed.
Well, don't think I'll ever be more ready than now.
What is that, a bat? Yeah. Open the window! The moose encounter wasn't too bad. Oh no.
I can't get that back now.
You definitely cannot get that back now. Do not reach your hand there. It's a trap. This guy is risking his hands for a video. That's wild. And then he puts his hand back there. What an idiot.
Remember this technique next time you're facing down the business end of an ornery snake.
Thank you.
Did he just like say, hey, don't bite me? And the snake didn't bite him? What? Why is he slowing down?
He's so thirsty, look!
Oh no.
Here, give him a little bit more. I think he's starting. Give him a.
Bruh, this turtle is sizing you up. He's preparing his strike.
A little bit more, and then.
I know he looks like he wants to bite me, but I'm just saying that he's thirsty.
You'll never be able to outrun an ostrich, so don't even try. They can run at sustained speeds of 30 to 37 miles per hour and sprint up to 43 miles per hour.
Did you see the way the ostrich was like laughing as it was running away? Straight menace. Straight menace. What is that? Tiger? Lion? What is going on?
Okay, is it in there? Is it in there? I think he flushed it, right? Oh, it's in there!
Close the lid! Close the lid!
Where? Shit, you scared me! Where is it?
Oh no. This is like a horror movie, man.
You don't like that? Where? Oh, that's a big toe!
Wait, how did you get a toad in your toilet? Make it make sense.
I have no idea what this odd critter is, but to be
It's a mole.
on the safe side, don't get it wet and definitely don't feed it after midnight.
This is how you safely handle snapping turtles. This is an adult male alligator snapping turtle. Notice how I'm grabbing him behind the head at the front of the shell and also at the back of the shell. This species of snapping turtle cannot bite me when I hold him like this. These
I feel like something's gonna happen where it's gonna end up biting him when he's holding it like that.
turtles are very heavy. They can deliver a crushing bite if you do get your hand in the way, and they are one of the largest freshwater turtles in the world. Now, this differs from how to handle a common snapping turtle. This is the common snapping turtle. This species is extremely fast, and they have a longer neck, which means they can bite you from the sides and they can swing their head backwards to get you. The only safe way to handle this species is by grabbing them from the back half of the shell, preferably here at the marginal scutes.
For me, the best way to handle a snapping turtle is to not handle a snapping turtle. That way, you won't get bit. You have nothing to worry about.
Sometimes with bigger animals, because this one is not full grown yet, I like to grab them from down here too, but watch out for those claws because they are very sharp. Children should never attempt to handle a snapping turtle of any type or size.
It's time to settle something for good. What is the plural of octopus?
Octopi, right? I think it's octopi.
Although you can get away with saying either octopuses or octopi, when a word enters the English language, its plural is anglicized. That means octopuses is the correct plural form.
That don't sound right. Octopuses? Octopi sounds a whole lot better. Like, look at all these octopuses. Like, no. No, that just sounds wrong.
9 brains, a brain for their head and a single brain for each individual tentacle. Check that out right there. Wow. Leaving all those monster hickeys. Oh my goodness.
Dude, bald eagles are so majestic. I think, where are they? Is that Washington State?
Be warned, if you start handing out free fish from your boat, you may attract some unwanted attention from some freeloaders looking for an easy lunch.
You are not outrunning a leopard. The only person you're outrunning is the person that's next to you.
An excellent yardstick to measure a society is by how many stray dogs you see on a regular basis in the towns and cities. This next clip is from Russia.
Is the elephant making that sound? It sounds like a police siren.
Going outdoors in Australia is taking your life in your own hands because almost everything can eat you or poison you.
Yeah, nice day. It's a fucking weird log.
That's
what?
Oh my God, why are people so dumb? Did you just say that that's a weird log? But second, that scenery though, it's picturesque. Like I wouldn't even like have noticed that. Like the waterfall, the water's a nice golden shimmer. Yeah, then this alligator just pops out. Well, he provoked it, so. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Me. Tranquilo. No, él igual, pero mira para tu miembro.
Say what you will, this is a great home security solution. No thief in their right mind would ever go near a house with this guardian standing watch.
Oh, for sure. The bear was like, "Oh, let me see. He's taking selfies, taking photos. I want to see. I want to see."
Australia has approximately 200,000 saltwater crocodiles that can grow to enormous sizes due to living in ideal conditions. Here's one that wants to be your kayaking buddy.
Dude, oh my god. Yo, this would terrify me. I'm out kayaking and all of a sudden you just see that silhouette in the water. Like, do you just stay still? Do you start like I don't know what it's called when you do the, motion when you're kayaking with the oar or whatever. Like, do you start like oaring faster? I said oaring. I'm not sure if that's what it's called. I said oaring, so don't come for me. Back up. Back up. Wait, what is that?
Say what you will about bats, but without them, you can say goodbye to bananas, mangoes, and avocados, and 300 other fruits that depend on bats for pollination. This cow seems to want to turn on the ATV and is willing to fight over it. I say let her have it. I've never seen a cow ride a four-wheeler before.
Jeez. Why is it bad to be the redheads? I know. Let me get the hell out of here. Yeah, I know you're protective. Baby's right there. Hey! Can I tag it?
Oh yeah, he's getting ready to pounce.
Oh my god, he's definitely.
He is good. He's coming up to you. Don't move. Don't move. Don't move.
Look, yeah, play scary. Look at it. But go, turn around.
Don't turn around. Like he is seriously in prowler mode.
What if he breaks through the glass? But go, you're dead.
Yeah, he breaks through the glass. You are on your own.
Yeah, I'll let him eat on you while I run.
Miguel, do not turn around, man. Okay, he's losing interest. Wait, nope. He's still prowling.
Miguel, turn around and act like you're scared. It's on the other side. I told you.
You may take 1,000 boat trips in your life, but this will be the one you never forget.
Bro, killer what? Excuse me. Killer whales whales are dangerous, man. They hunt like great white sharks, I think. Those beaks are like razor sharp.
I'm gonna need a bit more info on this one. How did the bear get into the truck in the first place?
That's what, yeah, like, yes, that is a good question. How did a brown bear, grizzly bear, get into a truck? Unless he would have to have let the bear into his car in order for that to happen. Unless the bear uses like his little paws or whatever to open up the door, but then he closed the door too right after he, like, that don't make no sense. Oh no, oh no, what's gonna happen? Ooh, oh, kill it with fire. Kill it with fire.
Before security cameras, how would anyone know how this gate was knocked down? Even if someone saw it, no one would believe them without the video.
That finger's not gonna stop that lion. All right, my people, this is where I'm gonna leave it today. This was damn nature, you're scary for sure. If you're out there in the wild, if you do any hiking or whatever the case may be, where, you know, anywhere out in nature, any type of job, just be careful out there. Animals are unpredictable. You gotta remember you're in their habitat, so just make sure you're keeping and doing all the safety precautions necessary in order to like make it home. But yeah, guys, I will see you in the next one.